Hey guys, how are we all doing? I just wanted to jump on and give you guys a quick update. I know I haven't been on in a little while now. Well, a bit more than a little while, but yeah, just had some health issues, dealing with that at the moment. And hopefully I'll fill you all in when I've more news, information, that kind of thing. Nothing serious or anything, but just stuff I've been dealing with. But I wanted to give you guys a couple of quick updates. So one of the first updates is the renovation that I talked about there a little while back. It was due to start there about a week or two ago, but unfortunately that's been pushed back till after Christmas. It was just timing wise when we were gonna get it done. Just the times didn't match up and stuff, so that was pushed back a couple of weeks. Well, a good couple of weeks till after Christmas, basically. But and kind of everything kind of schedule got knocked back and things like that. But I've also been working on and filming a new series which is hopefully going to be out next week. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys. So that's kind of a more clean and organisational video, and that should be out next week. And I'm actually working with a friend of mine on that who has just moved in to a new house and helping her get that organised and set up, and kind of talking about that and kind of the challenges with that, and the kind of way, because organisation in a house you're already living in is one thing, but when you have to move your entire self into a new house, I think there's different kind of challenges and different kind of ways to work on that and deal with that. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that as well. I was sick for quite a few weeks, which is one of the reasons I haven't been on and haven't been filming, and I didn't really want to do a live and kind of just be sitting there saying I don't really have many updates apart from the fact that I wasn't well. But yeah, that's kind of been going on for a while now, but I'm starting to feel better now and I'm getting stuff sorted, so that's good news. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of jump on and give you guys an update. Now, I know I'd mentioned the last day about doing the Swedish death cleaning. I was reading that book. I have read it. I'm going to read it again. I've read it, to be honest, I've read it like twice, but I want to read it because I really want to get a good idea of it. And I feel like when I read it the second time, I picked up a lot more. So I want to kind of, as I said in my previous video, I want to kind of make a series with that makes it kind of really kind of clear and breaks it down, but into kind of the simple ideas of the actual method of Swedish death cleaning, and share that with you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to basically say I haven't forgotten about you, and I'm not gone. I've just been having some health issues, basically. I was just unfortunate. I kind of got sick and then I wasn't fully healed with that, and then I got sick again, and I just kind of had chest infections and colds and flus and all this other kind of stuff. And sinus infections, and then the weather here has been crazy. Like up until about the other day, I think about 2 or 3 days ago, it was 20 degrees here, which for Ireland in October is insane. And then the next day it was 10 degrees. So, and the weather's kind of been up and down like that. And usually when that happens, I get quite sick when the weather changes. I get well, not always, but I'm more kind of likely to get chest infections, sinus infections, stuff like that. And then I had, what else did I have? I had my birthday there about 3 weeks ago. So that was nice, kind of just took it easy for that. I was unfortunately sick just before that. So didn't really do much or anything. And is there anything else I wanted to share with you guys? I have that series coming up. I will be doing an autumn decorate with me as well. I don't have a video ready for that yet because I haven't done it. The house is not decorated yet for autumn. Kind of more / Halloween, but that's going to be up in the next couple of weeks as well. Probably that may in fact be next week, and the new series might be the following week, depending on how that goes. The timing and stuff, and if I get the other kind of series finished, because what I wanted to do is get the whole thing finished, like the whole series finished, and upload that. So I'll hopefully have the autumn decorate will be up. I may have it on a different day rather than on the usual Friday. I may put it up on a different day. But yeah, I just really wanted to jump on today and just give you guys an update. I was going to do a live, but as I said, I don't really have a huge amount of updates. And I know usually with lives, I like to give like a lot of updates and interact with you guys and, you know, the kind of way. And honestly, lives can be quite energy and time consuming. And I'm still getting over my last kind of infection. So we're not there yet. We're nearly there, but we're not quite there yet. But I'm also joined by a supervisor right here. Maxie, do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? He's being a bit camera shy today. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. Please let me know down below how you're getting on. If you guys have any questions for me or anything like that, again, drop them down below. I don't think I have any more updates. I did tell you guys I did. So the renovation's going to be after Christmas. So around, I think, maybe the beginning or the middle of January. I know I mentioned in previous videos that we were trying to get the builder, like / contractor, but unfortunately, and he was like ready to go for October and everything, but just the way we kind of have a lot of stuff on and, you know, the kind of way, and my dad's away a couple of times, so that's it's just the dates, just we couldn't get them to line up, unfortunately. We did try, but it fortunately didn't work out that way. But yeah, so that's kind of something to be looking forward to in the new year. I've been doing a lot of work on that. If you guys want me to share any of the kind of plans I have or anything, let me know. I'm hopefully going to share that with you at some stage. What else? Is there anything else I wanted to mention? I don't think there is. I told you guys I'm going to do my autumn decorate with me. I picked up a couple things this year for Halloween, autumn. I just like, but like I didn't even do a haul video because like I literally got like, I think I got like 2 or 3 things, like literally tiny amount, because I was really happy with what I got last year. And I'm kind of happy with the level of stuff I have, and I don't want to keep like adding. I'm not trying to make it this, I don't want to like make it that I have a collection that's as big as like what I have for Christmas. Like I'm good. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. I've no other news, really. I've nothing really else to tell you. But yeah. Anyway, that's the update for now, and I will hopefully be back on very soon. And with more updates and more videos and more content. And I'm sorry I've been so missing this year. Unfortunately, I've just been sick and I've injured myself a few times. I shared with you guys that I blew out my knee. I think I shared with you guys that I slipped a disc in my back. It's just been bad timing. I just unfortunately keep getting things right after the other. Which isn't exactly conducive environment for, you know, making good content. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead and a fantastic week. And I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.